How to log into Elsevier student account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box, type in Elsevier login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, evolve.elsevier.com, open it. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your username or the email address. Then click on continue. Now type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. If you want to log in without using your password, you can click on this option and go through the process. After you fill this, click on sign in and just for that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Elsevier student account. In the case you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of create account and go through the process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.